Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to be unboxing a ProCaster broadcast quality microphone from Rode. In my quest to get better audio, I'm always looking for new microphones. I recently had a mixer die, which meant that I could no longer use my Behringer B5. And unfortunately, due to Logitech taking over Blue's microphones, they've effectively turned my Yeti into a software-based microphone, and it sounds like crap. Ergo, I've decided to up my microphone game, so let's see what we get in the box. The box itself's pretty non-explanatory, pretty nonchalant. It has an internal pop shield, it's tailored for voice, and it's a 10-year warranty. And that's pretty much all it says. Nothing on the bottom. Looks like it pops open from the top here. There we go. Okay. So we have a mic mount. I'm presuming that's for a pop shield. I'm not sure. We have our Rode manual, warranty, and a sticker. I don't get the point in including stickers with things. It's maybe just me. And a quick start blue ring apparently. That'll be for placing on the microphone cable, so that if you're using multiple feeds, you know which feed is which in your mixer. So just move the box out the side just now. It comes in a nice leather feeling bag. Not sure it's real leather, but definitely nice. There's quite a bit of weight to it. Nice zip. Inside, just a bag and a very heavy microphone. Get silicone gel out the way. Slide this out. There's a little QA tag that comes with it. And a very hefty, quite weighty metal microphone, fully metal microphone. So I believe in these you speak into the top, and on the bottom it's just got an XLR mount. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm going to unscrew it anyway. I think it's just must be a way to mount it to something. Take that off and screw this in somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. I actually have no idea how I'm going to mount this. That's interesting. It's different from most microphones for mounting. There appears to be a gold dot here. I'm not sure what that is. Possibly to signify the front. But all in all, that's it. There's not really anything else to it. So let's find a way for me to mount this. And I will get it set up. And we shall see how it sounds. Just a little addendum. You unscrew this bottom part. This slides on here. I presume. And this screws back down on top. Oops. And that's how you connect it to a standard microphone stand.
Note, no test samples were included due to my last 12 plus months of videos being recorded using this mic. This video was just not previously released when expected. This voiceover was also recorded using the same microphone.
If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too.
If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.